Hello everyone and welcome back to another YouTube devlog. This is my devlog for a game in the style of an 80s adventure game. Right now it's being made in JavaScript. When working with the twine converter, it became clear that some things were off and needed to be fixed. So it was time to change plans and step away from the twine converter to fix naming errors and clean up the code. First was going back to the CSS and get layered backgrounds working. CSS can be very confusing sometimes when you're not used to it. And after some trial and error, it was time to move on to more JavaScript. To make the code more safe, I started converting variables to constants. Hopefully this will prevent bugs in the future. Then it was time to catch up on the documentation, something that keeps getting away from me. While updating the documentation, I noticed I needed to rename functions to better match RenPy. A big part of the game is that it should be playable by almost everyone, so I added more accessibility options. Having the game be very customizable in both difficulty and accessibility is something I feel a lot of new games are missing. For local debugging, I updated a couple of console log messages. It's not the best way or very professional, but I like seeing it in the browser while I test the game. That's it for this time. If you can't wait and want to see more, I have a playlist with the rest of the devlogs available on my channel. If you just want a small talk, you can find me over at Mastodon or leave a comment here. So thanks for watching and have a great day.